Hi, this is Mr. Elliott. I'm going to make a video to maybe help you in order to make some notes if you'd like to. It's a pretty neat trick that we can do on Synergy. And if you're not aware, I wanted to show you how you could utilize this. So right now I'm on Mr. Stevens' class. He's allowed me to use his computer and show you how to do this. So let's say that you're looking at one of your classes. You can point at any student and make a note. You see the little bubble that comes up above each student's head. Notice that this student, Anthony, already has a bubble with a 1. That's because I've made a note. That's how you can know if a student has already received a note from you or possibly another teacher. So let's try it. Let's click on Brian here, and I'm going to click on the square for plus. This drop down comes for you. You'll notice it already has the date and the time set of when you would place in the note. Also notice there's a box here. You can either check it or leave it unchecked. And it's going to allow you to either share this comment with other teachers or not. For example, maybe it is a behavior in the classroom that you're working on with this student and you have tried a certain intervention that works. Well, you may want other teachers to know about that because more than likely they're having common challenges in their classroom as well, and that could be helpful for them. But maybe it is a contact that you've made with the parent. Maybe it is some private conversation that you want just yourself to have and maybe to reflect on later down the road. You would click on Do Not Share. Otherwise, you have access to all of the notes that you've inputted throughout the year for all of your students. So I'm going to just write a couple things. Student behaving well, contacted parent to inform. You know, sometimes we do contact parents and a week, 2 weeks, a month or two goes by and we forget. This is a good way to keep up with that. So I'm going to click save on this. And you're going to notice the one that came up above Brian's name. You can click on that and you'll see that it's up. And you can read it. You can see what it was. Oh, I remember that. Okay. And then if you decide, you know what, that's not right, I need to put another one in, you can just delete it. I'm going to ask you, are you sure? Yes. Now, it's gone. If you want to share with other teachers, like on Anthony's here, every teacher that has Anthony will be able to see this because you can see that private is not checked. And so that can be helpful for other teachers. Hopefully that's helpful to you. Quick shout out to Mr. Johnson for coming over to assist helping on this. If you have any questions, please let me know.